Hi friends, in the last videos we covered very clearly about language fundamentals. Have you remembered, right? Almost around 40 plus videos we did. You got very clear idea about language fundamentals, right? Sir, now the next topic what I have to discuss is operators concept. Observe that very carefully about this concept, sir. Now I have to talk about what is our next topic, sir. Python operators concept. Sir, now I have one small doubt. What is operator? Can you please spell out what is operator? Operator. So telephone operator. Okay, camera operator. Cameraman. Who is the responsible to operate camera? Telephone operator. Who is the responsible to operate phone? Okay, like we have. So the person who is doing certain activity, that person is called operator. Are you getting operator, right? The same way, the symbol, the Python symbol which is responsible to perform certain activity, that symbol is by default considered as operator. Suppose if I have plus a symbol is there, sir. It is an operator which is responsible to perform arithmetic addition. 10 plus 20. This plus is responsible to perform arithmetic addition operation. Now the result will become 30. Okay. Same way star operator is there, sir. Star operator is there. 10 star 20. Now this star is responsible to perform multiplication operation. So the symbol which is responsible to perform certain activity, that thing is by default considered as operator concept. Clear, right? Now I have one small question, sir. Can you please tell, is this operators concept is easy concept or difficult concept? Yes, friends. Is it easy or difficult? Very easy, sir, because from my childhood onwards, 10 plus 20 is the 30, 10 into 20 is the 200. In my school days only I learn. At my childhood onwards only, what there inside? No. Here take very special care. The most dangerous concept in the total Python is operators concept. Okay. Sometimes your expected behavior may not the same as original behavior. Abnormal behaviors you are going to see. That's why take a bit very special care about this operators concept. Don't underestimate this concept. Okay. Like next up for Python, Microsoft people are providing certification. I hope you may be aware Microsoft Python certification, right? In that, out of 40 questions, minimum 10 questions you can expect from the operators concept. Even for certification also, this topic is very, very important. That's why please take a bit very special care, sir, about this concept. Next, related to this operators concept, what topic we have to discuss? What is our agenda, right? Observe that, sir, these are 11 topics what I am going to discuss related to Python operators, right? Sir, what is the first topic? Arithmetic operators we have to perform. Sir, plus operation, minus operation, multiplication, right? We have arithmetic operators I have to discuss. Next, after that, relational operators or comparison operators we have to do. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, like we have to talk, sir. And then equality operators, okay, equal, double equal, not equal, like logical operators, bitwise operators. Next, shift operators we have to discuss. Assignment operators we have to talk, right? Next, ternary operator, the most valuable important question for the entire room. Can you please explain how to use a ternary operator in Python? Very important question in the entire room, sir. Most of the people are going to fail. Ternary operator is not there in the Python. Yes, it is there. With examples we have to discuss. Next, there are some special operators are available which are not there in other languages, right? Sir, which identity operators is not like identity operators are there. Membership operators, right? Not in, like we have some operators we will discuss in detail, right? Sir, next, operator precedence. If multiple operators are there, in which order these operators will be executed should be decided. Operator precedence concept. Sir, next, sir, for performing mathematical operations, there is one module is there named with the math module. math module defines several mathematical functions. Happily you can use in the Python to perform required mathematical operations, right? How to use a math module? Okay, mathematical functions by using math module we have to discuss. Okay, so these are 11 topics what we are going to discuss. Yeah, the part of operators concept. We are going to perform post-mortem like anything. Be ready to give left and right. Okay. Sir, the first operator, the first category of operators what we are going to discuss, arithmetic operators, right? Sir, very easy operators from our childhood onwards we are seeing, but there are some differences are there. Sir, these are plus operator. Plus means what? Arithmetic addition. Next, minus operator, minus subtraction operation. Next, multiplication, star means multiplication. Next, division operator. Next, modulo operator, remainder operator, modulo operator. Generally, these are arithmetic operators in every programming language, mostly in C language, Java, like plus, minus, multiplication, division, and then modulo operator, right? Next, in Python, in addition to these 5, there are 2 more extra, okay, arithmetic operators are there. What those are? Here, this is. Observe the difference very carefully, sir. Sir, this is normal division operator is like this. Sir, if I can take like this, it is a normal division operator. Are you getting? Normal division operator like this is. But there is one more is there, sir. What is this one, sir? Floor division operator. Are you getting? This is the Python specific, sir. Floor division operator. This is floor division operator, sir. This is one new operator which is there in the Python. Similarly, if you observe star, sir, star meant of multiplication operator or not? 10 into 20, 200 like this is multiplication operator. Next, but in Python we have, sir, double star operator also. Are you getting? Double star operator also. This operator is called exponential operator. Exponential operator or power operator. Exponential operator or power operator like this, right? So in Python, which extra arithmetic operators are there? Okay, please observe this floor division operator is the new thing. Next, exponential operator or power operator is the second new thing, sir. You should aware. So total how many arithmetic operators are there? 5 arithmetic operators, normal arithmetic. These are the 2. So total 7 arithmetic operators are there in the Python. Compulsory you should have clarity about these things, right? Clear for all of you, right? So now let me talk general operators, right? And then we have to talk about next level. Let me talk about this. Sir, if I am taking A is equal to 10, sir. Observe very carefully about this one. A is equal to 10. B is equal to 2, sir. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 2. Now print of A plus B I am taking. Print of A plus B. Print of A minus B. Print of A into B. Okay, like next print of A percent modulo B, sir. A modulo B, like this we are taking. Sir, now I didn't talk about division operator. I didn't talk about floor division. We didn't talk about double star operator, right? We will discuss soon. 10 plus 2, what the answer we are going to get? 12. 10 minus 2, A minus B, 10 minus 2, what is about its answer? 10. A into B, 10 into 2, 20 is the answer. Next, A by B, 10 percentage 2 means, sir, after dividing 10 with 2, what is the remainder? Remainder is always 0, like this, right? Sir, I don't think you people are going to get some difficulty to understand this one. It is our from childhood onwards what we discussed is the same behavior, right? If there is a difference in the behavior, I will take a bit special care. But as of now, all the things are as it is, not required to keep much explanation, right? Have a look once, observe carefully, right? Here, I'm trying to take A is equal to 10, B is equal to 2, print of A plus B I'm taking. Print of A plus B, next A minus B, A minus B, A into B, and then A modulo B I'm taking. Sir, division, floor division, next double star, we will discuss in detail next. So first one, 10 plus 2, 12, next 10 minus 2, 8, 8, 8, 10 minus 2. Have you observed right here, 10 minus 2, A minus B, 10 minus 2, its value is what? 8, 8 we have. 8 must be required, and then 10 into 2, 20. A percentage B is nothing but 0. Okay, like you people should aware, sir. Sir, now have a look once. So 10 A minus B, A into B, A modulo B, like this I am taking, sir. Sir, now have a look. A plus B, 12 is the answer. A minus B, 10 minus 2 means 8 is the answer. A into B, 10 into 20. A modulo B, 10 by 2, 10 by 2, its value is 10 percentage 2 means remainder 0, sir. Yes, let me cross check this one. What answer we are going to get, sir? 12, 8, 20, 0. 12, 8, 20, 0. Perfectly, we are going to get the same. Okay, now I want to go for one more small example, sir. Here, assume that B is 3, sir. Assume B itself is the 3 like this, right? Sir, now can you please tell what is the answer we are going to get? 10 plus 3, 13 is the answer. 10 minus 3, okay, 7 is the answer. 10 into 3, okay, A in 10 into 3, 30 is the answer. 10 percentage 3 means if you divide 10 with 3, if you divide 10 with 3, 3 3s are 9 and the remainder is the 1. That's why it's always going to consider remainder. Now the value we are going to get 1, sir. 13, 7, 31 is the answer. Have a look once. Suppose B value is the 3, sir. If the B value is the 3, 13, sir. Next 10 minus 3 means 7. Next 10 into 3 means 30. Next 10 percentage B means 10 by 3, remainder is 1, like I have to get. Sir, can you please observe? 13, 7, 31, okay, like we are getting the answer. So these 4 operators, we are not required to keep much explanation, right? But what about division, floor division, there we have to discuss in detail. Up to this is the clear for all of you, right? Sir, now observe very carefully about division and floor division. Sir, very simple. Before talking about this, I have 10.1 is there, sir. Assume that. What is the floor value for this? Floor value and the seal value. Floor means ground, lower. Ceiling means like. What is the floor value? Before 10.1, what is the nearest integer is the 10. Correct, right? This is the floor value. Seal value means next rounded, next integer value, it is the 11. So it is the floor value. This one is what? Seal value. You should be aware. Floor means okay, what we call before this nearest integer is by default considered the floor value. Flooring, ceiling, like you should be aware. Sir, now here if you observe that 10 by 2 I'm taking. Can you please guess what is the output? Good. I want to listen output from each and every person. 10 by 2. Can you please guess what is the answer we are going to get? Please confirm. 10 by 2. What is the answer we are going to get now? Okay. Take a bit very special care. Most of the people are going to feel the output is 5, sir. Okay. By mistake in your mind, if a 5 is there, okay, you are most lucky person. You are going to learn one new important point in Python. What is that? Is the answer is not 5. Okay, in Python division operator always provide floating point result only. Division operator meant for floating point arithmetic, it's always going to provide floating point value only. That's why, so 10 by 2, the answer we are going to get is 5.0. Remember this one, sir. This is Python 3 specific behavior, but in Python 2 you are going to get 5 only. But anyway, it is outdated, not required to worry, sir. As of Python 3x version, what answer we have to get? 5.0. So please keep one point in your mind very strongly, sir. So in Python, division operator always meant for floating point arithmetic. It is always going to provide float value as the result. Clear, right? Sir, similarly, if I can take print of 10 by 3, I'm taking 10 by 3. It's always going to provide float value only. That's why 3.33333 something like you are going to get some value. Okay, it's always going to provide what? Float value only. Remember, have a look once, sir. Observe what is the answer we are going to get here is print of 10 by 2. 10 by 2. Don't feel you are going to get 5. We are going to get 5.0. The reason for that is in Python floating point arithmetic, it's always division operator is always going to provide float value only. Now have a look once. 5.0. I'm not getting 5. I'm getting 5.0. Observe that, sir. Similarly, if I can take print 10 by 3, sir. Print of 10 by 3. What answer we are going to get, sir? 3.33333, some dot something like we are going to get. Now have a look once. 3.33333, somewhere rounding to 5 like we are going to get. So clear for all, friend? Very important point. Sir, division operator is always going to provide floating point result only, meant for floating point arithmetic. Okay, like, sir, I want integral value. I want int value as the result. If you want int value as the result, then we have to go for next division operator. What is this one, sir? Floor division operator. Are you getting? What is this? These parts are floor division operator. This one you people should have clarity, sir. What it will do, sir? It's very important. Floor division operator meant for, it will work for integral arithmetic, as well as floating point arithmetic. Integral arithmetic as well as floating point arithmetic. The result of floor division operator can be int value or can be float value based on your arguments. If both arguments are int type, the result is always int. Remember, if both arguments are int type, the result is always int, sir. If both arguments are float type, or at least one argument is the float type, the result is always float. So floor division operator can work for integral arithmetic and can work for floating point arithmetic. Both options are available. If both arguments are int type, the result is always int. If at least one argument is the float, the result is a float type, right? Sir, what is the behavior? Let me show. Observe very carefully, sir. Here I am taking print of 10 floor division 2, sir. 10 floor division 2. Take very special care. Sir, both arguments are what type? Int type. The result is always int only. Next, 10 by 2. Usually what is the value? 5. Floor value is always 5 only. If it is the number, floor value is always same number only. That's why. So what answer we are going to get, sir? 5. But not 5.0. Remember this one, sir. Sir, now I am taking print of 10.0 by 2. Oh, at least one argument is the float type. If at least one argument is the float type, now the result is always what? Float value 5.0. Are you in the position to understand, right? So what is the difference between, what is the difference between 10 by 2, 10.0 floor division 2? The answer is a 5.0. If both arguments are int type, the result is always int. If at least one argument is a float, the result is float type in the case of floor division. Let me go for one more example so that you will get much clarity about these things, right? Observe very carefully, sir. Sir, you have to inject in your mind these 2 points. Normal division operator is always meant for floating point arithmetic, but floor division operator can work both for integral value and can work for floating point value. It can produce int result, it can produce float result. Both options are there. Okay, like now have a look once very carefully, sir. Print of here I am taking 10 by 3. Okay, print of 10.0 by 3, 10 by 3, 10.0 by 3. Print of 10 floor division 3. Print of 10.0 floor division 3. Okay, like I am taking. Now take very special care. If you can answer this one, then you are getting very clearly, sir. So in my regular sessions also, most of the people are always getting the doubt about this floor division operator. Take a bit special care about this one. So 10 by 3. Sir, normal division result is always float. That's why 10 by 3. What about the answer, sir? 3.3333, like you are going to get. Next 10.0 by 3. Okay, sir, it is the normal division. The result is always float only. Now you are going to get 3.3333, like this, right? Okay, well, next listen, dangerous point. 10 floor division 3. Sir, both arguments are int type or not? Yes, man, arguments are int type. Now the result should be int. Sir. Sir, now observe carefully. 10 by 3, actually what is the result? 3.33333, like this, right? For this, what is the floor value? 3.0 is the floor value. But both arguments are int type. The result is always int. 3.0 converted to int means 3 is the answer. Are you getting what the answer we are going to get? 3 is the answer. Because I want floor value of this, that int value. Floor value of this, that int value. 3 is the answer. Next 10.0 floor division 3, sir. Sir, now I want, this is the normal division result, but I want floor value. Floor value means 3.0. I want float only. At least one argument is the float, result is always float. That's why what is the answer we are going to get? 3.0. Remember that carefully, sir. If you ever this, nothing will be there in the floor division operator. Have a look once, sir. Here, observe a bit carefully. What I am trying to take? 10 by 3 I am taking. 10 by 3 I am taking. Next 10, sir, 10.0 by 3 I am taking, sir. Next, of course, let me take 10 by 3. The result is always floating point arithmetic, sir. 3.3333, something like you are going to get. Observe carefully. What is the answer we are getting? Yes, friend, perfect. 3.3333, like you are going to get. Now, here I am taking print 10.0 by 3. Sir, it is also floating point arithmetic only, because normal division result is always float. Now 3.3333, like you are going to get for the second one also. Have you observed, right? Same result we are going to get. Now print of 10 floor division 3, sir. 10 floor division 3. Now take a bit very special care. It is the floor division. If both arguments are int, the result is always int. So I want int floor value of this 10 by 3. Int floor value of 3.333. Floor value means 3.0. In that int value I want means 3 only. Am I going to get or not? Can you please observe that? Observe carefully. 3 I have to get, sir. Observe. What is the answer we are getting? 3 itself is the answer, right? Now print of 10.0 floor division 3 I'm taking, sir. If I can take 10.0 floor division 3, sir, at least one argument is the float, result is always float only. I want a floor value of this one, floor value of this result, but float value, then what is the answer, sir? 3.0 we are going to get. Sir, observe carefully, 3.0 we are getting, sir. I hope everyone in the position to understand clearly, right? Are you able to understand, right? So what is the normal division operator, floor division operator? Normal division operator result is always floating point value, but floor division operator result can be either int or float. Okay, either int or float. But where is the difference, right? Very simple, sir. The difference is, okay, if both arguments are int type, the result is the int. If both arguments, at least one argument is the float, the result is always float. Any doubt about this one? Yes, friends, if you feel comfortable, I will go for one more example so that you may get much clarity. Sir, now observe a small assignment like to get much clarity, sir. But before that, just observe, sir, normal division operator. The result is always what type? The result is always what type? Float type. Next up, floor division operator. What is the result, sir? The result can be int or the result can be float. When it will produce int type, if both arguments are int, the result is always int. If at least one argument is the float, the result is always float. But this one is always going to consider either int value or float value. Sir, it's always going to consider floor value only. Remember this one, sir. It's always going to consider what? Floor value. Okay, before nearest the rounded value only, it is going to consider before value, right? Floor value. Like, sir, can you please observe 3.333? What is the floor int value? 3 is the floor int value. What is the float value? 3.0 is the float value. Like, similarly, if I have 5.27277 is there, sir, or 97 is there, 5.9797 like this, right? What is the floor int value? 5, sir. What is the float value? 5.0. So before integer, whatever we have is the floor value, right? Okay, well, sir, now can you please confirm? Here take a bit very special care about this one. 20 normal division 2, sir. 20 normal division 2. Sir, can you please tell the result is the float or int? Respond, man. The result is the int or float? The result is always float, because normal division operator result is always float in Python 3x. Okay, now 10 by 2 result is the float, sir, 10.0. Okay, well, sir, 20.5 by 2, sir, the result is always float, normal division, right? What is the answer, sir? 10.25 is the answer. It is the normal division, result is always float. Next, 20 by 2, 20 floor division 2. Now take a bit special care. Floor division, it may be int or float. Both arguments are int type. The result is always int. Sir, what is the division? 10.0. Int value means 10 is the answer. Okay, observe. Next, 20.5 floor division 2. Sir, at least one argument is the float, result is always float, Now, sir, what is the normal division? Normal division result is 10.25. But floor division, what is the float value? Float value means 10.0. Okay, well, now can you please tell 30 floor division 2? 30 floor division 2, what it means here, do you know? It is both are int type. Next, what answer we are going to get, sir? 15. Okay, not even 0.0. If you are taking 30.0 floor division 2, then you are going to get 15.0. take a bit very special care about this one, sir. So you should have clear clarity about floor division, because in the robotics area, data science area, machine learning area, this floor division is the most valuable important operator. That's why you should have clear clarity, sir. Have a look once. Let me execute this code, sir. Here I'm taking print of 20 by 2 I'm taking, sir. Sir, do you know 20 by 2? 20 by 2 normal division operator. Normal division result is always float value 10.0, sir. Have a look once. Yes, 10.0 we are getting. Next, print of 20.5 by 2 I'm taking. Sir, it is the normal division operator, always going to provide float value only 10.25 is the answer we are going to get. Have a look once. 10.25. Okay, now print 20 floor division 2, sir. 20 floor division 2. Sir, floor division, the result can be int or the result can be float. But both arguments are int, the result is always int type. So 20 by 2, 10.0, 10.0 int value, floor int value means 10. What answer we are getting? 10. 10 is the answer. Okay, 10 itself is the answer, sir. Next, sir, here 20.5 floor division 2, 20.5 floor division 2. Sir, at least one argument is the float, the result is always float. So 20.5 by 2, 10.25, 10.25 float value, floor value which is float. The answer is always 10.0. Remember this one, 10.0. Have a look once. The last one, 10.0. Like similarly, print 30 by 2, sir. 30 floor division 2. Obviously, the answer you are going to get 15, because both arguments are int type. Okay, like sir, 30.0. 30.0. What the answer we are going to get, sir? So at least one argument is the float. At least one argument is the float. Compulsory result is always float floor value. Sir, now the answer we are going to get, sir, 15.0 we have to get. Can you please observe that? 15 we are getting, and then 15.0. That's all, friends. These are various important things you should aware about the normal division, floor division operator. Any doubt about this one? Are you getting very clearly, right? Most dangerous concepts are compulsory. You people should have clear clarity. Next, what about double star operator? Double star operator is a very easy operator, right? Not required to keep much explanation. Sir, it is a power operator or exponential operator, right? So if I can take 10 double star 2, what is the meaning of this one? Is 10 square. Are you getting 10 square? Its value is what? 100. 100 is the answer we will get, sir. So 3 double star 3, sir, I'm taking. So 3 power 3. 3 power 3 means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3. 3 power 3. 3 power 3 means 27 is the value we are going to get. Okay. Have a look once. Is it correct or not? Print of 10 power 2. 10 double star 2 exponential operator, right? 100 is the answer we are getting. Similarly, print 3 power 3, sir. So 3 power 3 means not 3 into 3. 3 power 3. 3 into 3 into 3. Its value is 27 we are going to get. Clear, right? So related to double star operator, not required to discuss much, but take a bit very special care about floor division operator, only dangerous operator. Any doubt about up to this, right? Clear? Sir, up to this, the basic arithmetic operators very clear, including floor division operator, exponential operator also. Next, do you know plus operator is there? Okay, observe very carefully, sir. Even this plus operator we can apply for string types also, no problem at all, sir. For numbers you can apply, for string objects also you can apply. Suppose 10 plus 20, what is the answer we are going to get? 30. Not required to keep much explanation. Plus acts as arithmetic addition. Now I am taking Durga plus soft I am taking, sir. Durga plus a soft I'm taking. Can you please tell what is the answer we are going to get? Durga soft. Okay, Durga soft, like this, right? So we can apply plus operator between two string values also. If we apply plus operator between two string values, it simply acts as concatenation operator. Sir, now Durga soft we are going to get. Clear for all of you, right? Now here take very special care. Observe this one, sir. I'm taking print of, here just observe that, print of 10 plus 20. Print of 10 plus 20. Sir, print, what is the answer we are going to get? 30. Normal, already you aware, sir. Sir, print of Durga plus soft I'm taking, sir. Soft, what answer we are going to get? Perfect, Durga soft is the answer we are going to get, sir. Okay, so plus operator we can apply even for string objects also. Then plus operator simply acts as concatenation operator. Okay, well, here I have one small doubt. Can you please clarify this doubt, sir? Observe carefully. Observe very carefully. You have to tell the answer. Sir, I'm taking Durga plus 10. What is the answer? What is the answer we are going to get? Durga plus 10. One is string object. Second one is just int value. Can you please confirm what output you are going to get? Durga plus 10. Now I can decide based on your answer whether you are coming from Java background or not. Because the reason is, in Java, at least one argument is the string type. String type plus operator always going to work for concatenation only, irrespective of second argument. It can be int value, it can be float value, boolean value also, no problem at all. It's always concatenation. In Java, for this requirement, what is the output we are going to get, sir? Durga 10 is the answer we are going to get in Java. But make sure it is a Python but not a Java. Are you getting? It is Python but not a Java. Don't apply your Java skill here. It is a Python. In Python, to use a plus operator, okay, between string objects, compulsory both arguments should be string type only. Remember, both compulsory, first argument, second argument, both should be string type only. One is a string, the other one is int value. Then immediately we are going to get type error. Are you getting? Immediately you are going to get type error. Let me show this one. Have a look once, sir. Sir, I am taking Durga plus 10. Durga plus 10 I am taking, sir. Okay, let me remove the remaining. Just let me concentrate only this part. Durga plus 10. What answer we are going to get is immediately type error must be str, not int. So clearly Python virtual machine is telling, hey, it must be str, not int. Like so, if you apply plus operator for the string objects, compulsory both arguments should be string type only, otherwise we will get type error. Clear for all of you, right? Then how I can correct this mistake? There are two ways are there, sir. One way one, okay, Durga I'm taking plus let me take a 10 in string form. Let me take 10 in the string. Now even it is the 10, but internally it is the string only. So first string plus a second string. What is the answer we are going to get, sir? Durga 10. Perfectly it's going to work. So both arguments must be string type. That's what you should aware. Have a look once, sir. If I can take this number, okay, like what answer we are going to get, sir? Durga 10 itself is the answer. Are you getting? Durga 10 itself is the answer we are going to get. So terminology is the clear. Or there is another way is there, sir. Sir, my available input is always number, int value only. So how you can perform plus operator, right? Very simple. What you can do is Durga plus convert your int value to string. So typecasting functions are available, right? str of 10. So first one is the string, Next 10 converted to str, string only. Now string plus a string perfectly. Durga 10 we are going to get, no problem at all. Oh, take how much special care we have to take, man. If you are applying plus operator between two string values, I mean for the string objects, compulsory both arguments should be string type only. By mistake if you are taking any other, immediately error we are going to get. Have a look. Sir, now I am taking Durga plus 10. This is one approach, but I have 10 only. So convert this 10 into str type. Convert this 10 into str type, then obviously my problem by default got resolved, sir. Okay, this is about sir plus operator for the string objects. What is the story? Any doubt? Sir, up to this we covered plus for string objects, right? Sir, now I want to apply star operator for the string objects. Okay, star operator happily we can apply for string objects. It is the Python specific, sir. How you can do that? Very simple. Here I am taking print of Durga into 3 I am taking. Durga into 3 I am taking, sir. What it means is repeat this Durga 3 times. Are you getting it? Repeat this Durga how many times, right? 3 times. Now the output we are going to get Durga like you are going to get, sir. Remember this one. So if we apply star operator for the string, now it acts as string repetition operator. Can you please repeat this string how many times, right? 3 times you require to repeat this string. Okay, have a look once, sir. If I am taking here, very important, sir, just I am taking Durga into 3 like this I am taking, sir. What answer we are going to get? Have a look once. Durga like this 3 times we are going to get, sir. Durga like 3 times happily we are going to get. So repeat this string how many times, right? 3 times. Then this is the answer we are going to get. Clear, right? Sir, I have one small doubt. Listen very carefully, sir. If I can take print 3 into Durga I am taking. Print of 3 into Durga I am taking. Can you please tell what the answer? Your expected is the correct. Please just spell out. What the answer we are going to get? We are going to get error. We are going to get error. Remember that. Whenever we are applying, okay, star operator, one argument is string, the other one is the int value, right? Here you can take in any order, no problem at all. Acceptable, man. Either first string followed by int or int followed by string. If you are taking string followed by int, I am going to use repeat this string 3 times. Are you getting it? Repeat this string 3 times. Acceptable. If I use 3 into Durga, what I am doing? Sir, can you please repeat 3 times Durga? Can you please repeat 3 times Durga? Same answer we are going to get. Means that order is not important. Durga is the answer we are going to get. Both are perfectly valid. Don't feel it is invalid, sir. Have a look once. Here I am taking 3 into Durga. 3 into Durga I am taking, sir. So Durga into 3 into Durga. In both cases, what output we are going to get, sir? Observe, Durga like 3 times perfectly the output we are going to get. That's what you people should aware clearly, right? But here also one small twist is there. What is that twist? Is listen carefully. If I am taking Durga followed by, okay, soft like this I am taking, sir. Durga followed by soft. Immediately Python virtual machine will give left and right. What the reason is, if we are applying star operator for the string, compulsory one argument should be string, the second argument should be int. Remember that, right? One argument should be string, the second argument should be int type. But both are string. You can't you can't perform multiplication here. Immediately we are going to get the error. What is that error is? Have a look once about this one, sir. Print of Durga I'm taking, and then soft I'm taking, sir. Durga and then soft I'm taking. Now have a look once. What output? Sir, type error. Can't multiply sequence by non-int type str. Can't multiply sequence by non-int type str. Sir, it is not int type. You can't multiply this like this. It is going to tell the error, sir. Okay, like so compulsory one argument should be string, second argument should be int. By mistake if you are taking any other, immediately error we are going to get, sir. Remember, so you can't take float value, you can't take string value. Like now I'm taking, can you please confirm, is it valid or not? Sir, this one is type error we are getting. Now very simple, sir. Durga I'm taking. Now my target is, sir, 3 I'm taking, but in string form. Acceptable or not? 3 I'm taking in string form. Sorry, it is a string type, so my Python virtual machine won't accept. Immediately error we are going to get, sir. Even internally it is the number, but it's the string basically. That's why it is not allowed. Then if it is available in string form only, how you can solve this problem, sir? Print of Durga you can take, sir, int of 3 string, like this we can take, sir. Have you observed? Convert string to int type. Int typecasting function I am applying. Convert string to int type. Durga into 3 number only int value. Perfectly this one is going to work. Everyone can understand, right? So whenever we are applying star operator for the string, one argument should be string, the other argument should be int value. You can't take any other type. By mistake if you are taking type error, we are going to get, sir. Observe here, I'm trying to take within, sir, here 3 I'm taking, sir. So both are string type. It is a string. Second one is also string only. Now have a look once. Type error. Can't multiply a sequence by non-int type of str, like this, right? Type error we are going to get. Now my question is, observe carefully how I can solve this problem, sir. Int of, convert this string into int, perfectly valid, sir. Durga, like we are going to get. So clear indication how you can use a typecasting functions. Okay, so really these are very helpful, sir. So this is the story about star operator, how you can use for string concept, right? Clear? So now observe, if we apply plus operator for string, it is considered as concatenation operator. Right? Remember this one. So if you want to apply plus for the string, compulsory both arguments should be str only. Otherwise you are going to get type error. Okay, like, sir, similarly if we apply star operator for string, now this operator is called string multiplication operator. String multiplication operator or string repetition operator. Are you getting? String repetition operator, either multiplication operator or repetition operator, right? So if you are considering star for the string, compulsory string and int, argument should be str and int, or int and str. Okay, like order is not important, syntax like this, right? So these things compulsory you should aware about plus and star operator for the strings. What is the behavior, what rules we have to follow? Okay, well, Sir, now the last point related to arithmetic operators, right? Take a bit very special care. If I consider 10 by 0 10 by 0 or 10.0 by 0 10.0 by 0 or 10 here, do you know 10 floor division 0 10 floor division 0 10.0 floor division 0 or 10 modulo 0. Are you getting 10 modulo 0? Sir, very simple. If you perform any number by 0, floor division by 0 or modulo 0, something like any number x by 0 or floor division 0 or x modulo 0, remember that. What is the result? Yes friends, what the result we are going to get? Okay, the people who are coming from Java background, you are getting arithmetic exception. Have you remembered arithmetic exception? But in Python we are going to get exception. What is that? The problem is 0 division error. Are you getting what error we are going to get? Can you please spell out? 0 division error. For any x value by 0 or floor division 0 or modulo 0, the result is always 0 division error you are going to get. Let me cross check here. Observe carefully, sir. Here I am taking 10 by 0. 10 by 0 by 0. Have you are you seeing right? Sir, here print 10 by 0, 0 division error, division by 0 we are getting, sir. Next 10.0 by 0. 10.0 by 0, same cinema. 10.0 by 0, 0 division error only. 10 floor division 0. 10 floor division 0. Have you observed? Sir, 10 floor division 0, 0 division error only. 10.0 floor division 0. Okay, sir, 10.0 floor division 0, 0 division error. Okay, like sir, same 10 percentage 0. 10 percentage 0. Same, sir, 10 percentage 0, 0 division error we are going to get. Sir, 10.0 modulo 0. Yes, have you observed right? 10.0 percentage 0, 0 division error we are going to get. So clear indication. Okay, sir, any number by 0, floor division 0 or modulo 0, the result is always 0 division error. That's what, sir. These many important loopholes are there related to arithmetic operators. Is it clear for all of you, right? Sir, now observe a special case with respect to Boolean. Observe a bit carefully, sir. I am taking print of here Durga, sir, multiplication, true I am taking, sir. Durga multiplication true. Next print of Durga multiplication false I am taking. False I am taking. Can you please tell what is the answer we are going to get? Sir, if you are applying star operator, one argument should be string type, the other argument should be int type, sir, but you are taking Boolean type, immediately error we are going to get. No, the reason for that is, sir, internally Boolean values are represented as numbers only. True means 1 and false means 0. Sir, in the place of int, happily we can use Boolean values, right? No problem at all. Happily we can use Boolean values. Whenever we are expecting int in Python, happily we can use Boolean values, right? True means 1, false means 0. True means 1, false means 0. Now that behavior will come. So Durga into 1, sir. True means 1. So Durga repeat one time means same. Durga we are going to get the answer, sir. Okay, like now, sir, false means 0, sir. Durga Can you please multiply 0 number of times? Repeat 0 number of times? Nothing. Empty string you are going to get. Are you getting? So sometimes enter a person to what we call create confusion. Maybe a chance he may ask this type of things. You should be in a position to give left and right. Are you getting? Durga into true. Durga is the answer. Durga into false. Empty string is the answer. Observe carefully. Here I'm trying to take Durga. Here just observe this one, sir. Durga into true I'm taking. True I'm trying to take, sir. What answer we are getting? Yes, Durga is the answer. Durga is the answer. Durga into false I'm taking. Durga into false I'm taking. What answer we are going to get, sir? Nothing. Are you getting right? Nothing. Empty string we are going to get. So maybe a chance to ask this type of things also in your certification. Sometimes very rare, even in the interview room also. A bit intelligently you have to answer. Clear, right? Sir, in the last videos, we covered very clearly about arithmetic operators. Almost we did post-mortem and around 1 hour we spent only on arithmetic operators. Now, let me go for relational operators, right? Sir, which are relational operators? Greater than, okay? Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, these are considered as relational operators, right? Sir, now if you observe, it's a very easy. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. You can compare two numbers. One is less than or not, greater than or not, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, like we have to compare. Now here just observe, print of A less than B, print of A less than or equal to B, print of A greater than B, print of A greater than or equal to B, sir. Can you please tell what the answer we are going to get? A is the 10, B is the 20. 10 less than 20, is it valid or not? Here respond, A 10 less than 20, valid or not? Yes, valid. The result is the true. A 10 less than or equal to 20, yes man, less than or equal to, that's why true is the answer. Next, 10 greater than 20, 10 greater than 20, false is the answer. Okay, 10 greater than or equal to 20 itself is false, sir. Are you getting? So I want to compare two numbers. Relational operators or comparison operators. These operators, right? True, true, false, false, we have to get. Let me execute this. Have a look once about this terminology, right? Sir, I'm taking A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Okay, print of A less than B, A less than B. Okay, like A less than or equal to B, A greater than B, A greater than or equal to B, sir. Okay, like, sir, first case, what the answer? 10 less than 20, true is the answer. 10 less than or equal to 20, yes man, it is also true is the answer. 10 greater than 20, 10 greater than 20, the answer is false. 10 greater than or equal to 20, the answer is false, sir. Okay, am I going to get the same answer or not? You can cross check, sir. Observe carefully. Yes, true, true, false, false is the answer we are going to get. True, true, false, false is the answer we are going to get. Clear for all of it? So we can apply relational operators for the numbers, right? What is the behavior? Not required to keep much explanation about this terminology, right? Sir, now even we can apply these relational operators for the string types also. For the string objects also you can apply, sir. Then what is the behavior? Very simple, sir. The comparison will be happen based on Unicode values, ASCII values, right? I hope you may aware. Okay, here observe. I'm taking a simple example. S of 1, A is equal to Durga, I'm taking, sir. A is equal to Durga I'm taking, or otherwise simple, easy to understand. Let me go for A is equal to sir, A I'm taking. A is equal to A. Next up, B is equal to, sir, B I'm taking, sir. So first string, second string, sir, S1, S2 I'm taking. Instead of confusing, S1 is A, S2 is B. Can you please tell what is the Unicode value of A, small a? Have you remembered? Unicode value for small a is 97. Unicode value for small b is 98. Okay, like, sir, same way, capital A Unicode value 65, sir. Okay, capital B Unicode value, okay, 66, like this. Okay, remember first, if you want to compare two string values, compulsory you should have clear clarity about the Unicode values. Sir, I don't know Unicode value of a character. How you can find, sir? How you can find? I don't know, sir, which character related to this Unicode. I don't know that. What is the way? Very simple. First observe this one before going this example. I want to know what is the Unicode value of A. Very simple, sir. You have to take ORD function. What is the function name? ORD, ordinal value, odd. Sir, A. If you can take ORD of A, you are going to get 97. Remember, if you know the character, if you want to know the corresponding Unicode or ASCII code, then we have to use what? ORD is the function. Remember. Similarly, I know Unicode value. I want to find the corresponding character. CHR. What is the character related to 97? CHR of 97 means A you are going to get. Observe very carefully, sir. In Python, inbuilt functions are available. One is ORD to find Unicode value for the given character. Next, CHR to find character for the given Unicode value. Okay, you should aware in the strings concept. Next, we are talking about separate topic. There we should aware these things, man. So multiple applications we have to develop. Have a look once. Here, see this one first. Before going for comparison, here I am taking print of ORD of A, sir. ORD of A. So what is the Unicode value of A? 97. Are you getting? Unicode value of A? 97. What is the Unicode value of capital A? What is the Unicode value of capital A? Capital A, 65. Observe, 97 is the small a Unicode value, 65 is the capital A Unicode value, right? Similarly, here I want to know CHR of 97. Array, which character is there associated with the 97 Unicode? A, small a is the answer. Sir, which character associated with some 68? 68, I don't know, 68. Now, capital D is the your corresponding character associated with 68. Okay, like, so you should aware how to use ORD function, how to use CHR function. Please make sure you should aware, sir. Okay, well, now let me go for a small example how you can compare two string values by using these relational operators, right? Sir, very easy. Observe that S1 is equal to Durga I am taking. S1 is equal to Durga. S2 is equal to Sunny I am taking. Are you getting? S2 is equal to Sunny I am taking, sir. Print of S1 less than S2. Print of S1 less than or equal to S2. S1 less than or equal to S2. Print of S1 greater than S2. Print of S1 greater than or equal to S2. Like this we are taking. So S1 less than S2. S1 less than S2. What is the answer? Respond. Durga less than Sunny. So Unicode value of first character. First I will compare first character. If first character only decide, then we are not required to worry about second character. So Unicode value of first character D and Unicode value of S. Definitely Unicode value of small d is a small value when compared with Unicode value of S value. That's why first one Durga is less than Sunny. Perfectly valid. True is the answer. Next, less than or equal to. True is the answer. Next, greater than S2. S1 greater than S2. D, small d greater than small s. No, no. What answer? False is the answer. Next, sir, D, here D greater than or equal to S2. D greater than or equal to S, no such type of terminology. False is the answer. Remember this one, sir, more or less alphabetical comparison. Alphabetical order comparison only, which is the Unicode comparison. Alphabetical order, D will come first and then small s will come. That's why, so D is smaller than S. That's why, so S1 is less than S2 is the true, like we are going to get, sir. Sir, observe, let me execute up to this. Have a look once, sir. S1 I am taking is equal to Durga, S2 is equal to Sunny, like this I am taking. Print of S1 less than S2, okay, print of S1 less than or equal to S2, S1 greater than S2, S1 greater than or equal to S2. Okay, like we have what output we are going to get? True, true, false, false is the answer we are going to get, sir. True, true, false, false itself is the answer we are going to get. Perfectly itself is the valid, sir. Now have a look once. Suppose my content is S1 is Durga, S1 is Durga, S2 is also Durga. Bas, Unicode of first character same, Unicode of second character same, Unicode of third character same, means that both are equal. Now print of S1 less than S2, print of S1 less than or equal to S2, print of S1 greater than S2, greater than S2, print of S1 greater than or equal to S2. What the answer we are going to get? Very simple, sir. Do you know, sir? Durga, Durga, both are equal, both are same. Less than, false is the answer. Less than or equal to, true is the answer. Next, greater than, okay, false is the answer. Next, greater than or equal, so true is the answer, because equal is also there. That's why true is the answer, sir. Have a look once. Now I am taking same, sir, with a small change. Second one is also Durga. Second one is the Durga. Lesser than, false, less than or equal to true. Next here, so false we are getting. Second one, sir, true we are going to get, because less than or equal is there. Next third one, sir, false we are going to get. Fourth one, sir, we are going to get a true is the answer. Okay, what output we are going to get? False, true is the answer we are going to get. False, true itself is the answer we are getting, sir. I hope everything is clear for all of you, right? Just one more example I want to consider. Don't feel bored, you have to get much clarity. Here I am taking S of 1 is equal to Durga. I am taking, sir, Durga, small Durga. S of 2 is equal to capital D, Durga I am taking. Observe carefully, small d, capital D. Sir, which is bigger, which is smaller? Small d, capital D. I mean lower case d, upper case d. Which is bigger, which is small? Sir, now I am taking print of S1 less than S2, print of S1 less than or equal to S2, print of S1 greater than S2, next print of S1 greater than or equal to S2. Can you please tell what the answer you are going to get? Sir, very simple. You people should be aware. Small a, Unicode value 97. Small a 97. B means 98. C means 99. D means 100. So what is the Unicode value of small d? 100. Next, capital A, Unicode value 65. Capital B 66, 67, capital D means 68. So capital D 68, small d 100. Which number is bigger? Small d is the bigger. Are you getting? That's why small d is bigger than capital D in the comparison. Small d is a greater than capital D. Remember, that's why. So S1 is greater than S2. So S1 less than S2, false. Okay, false is the answer. S1 less than or equal to S2, false is the answer. Okay. S1 greater than S2. Yes, man. Small Durga is greater than capital Durga. Like true is the answer. Next, S1 greater than or equal to S2. Sir, Durga, small Durga greater than or equal to capital Durga. Yes, it is the valid. True is the answer. Are you getting right? Okay. Now have a look once. A small change I am making. What answer we are going to get? D, sir. Okay. S1 less than S2. False. S1 less than or equal to S2, false. Next, S1 greater than S2, true. Greater than or equal to S2, true. F, T, T, false, false, true, true is the answer we have to get. Are you in the position to identify? False, false, true, true itself is the answer we are going to get, sir. I hope not required to keep much explanation about this one. So relational operators we can apply for strings also. If we apply for strings, how the comparison will be happen? Based on alphabetical order, based on Unicode values. Any doubt? Sir, we can apply relational operators even for Boolean types also. Okay, just observe a bit carefully, sir. Print of true greater than false I am taking. Print of true greater than or equal to false I am taking. Print of true is lesser than false I am taking. True is lesser than false. Print of true is less than or equal to false. Assume that, sir. So do you know, whenever Boolean values we are taking in comparison, the corresponding int values will come. You know, right? True means what about its 1. Next, false means what is the value? 0 like. Now 1 greater than 0, the answer is true, sir. 1 greater than or equal to 0, the answer is true, sir. Next, 1 less than false. 1 less than false. Less than false means 0. 1 less than 0, false is the answer. 1 less than or equal to 0, false is the answer, like this, right? Are you able to understand? So true, false is the answer we have to get. Let me cross check this behavior, sir. Here, 1 minute, have a look once very carefully, sir. Here I am taking print of here true greater than false I am taking. Okay, true greater than or equal to false. True less than false. True less than or equal to false. True greater than false means true is the answer, sir, because 1 greater than 0. Next, true greater than or equal to false means it is also true only. 1 greater than or equal to 0. Next, true 1 less than 0. 1 less than 0 means false is the answer. 1 less than or equal to 0 means false is the answer, sir. TTFF means true, false is the answer we have to get. Observe carefully. True, false is the answer we are getting. Perfect, sir. So relational operators you can apply for numbers, we can apply for string values, even we can apply for Boolean types also. Okay, now sometimes compatibility is not there for comparison. What will happen, sir? Very simple. Print of 10 less than Durga I am taking. 10 less than Durga. Have you observed? One is int, the other one is the string. How you can compare? immediately Python virtual machine will give left and right. What answer we are going to get, sir? Type error we are going to get. What is that answer? Can you please spell out? Type error we are going to get. Observe carefully, sir. Here I am taking 10 lesser than Durga. 10 lesser than Durga. If the compatibility is not there, immediately we are going to get type error lesser than not supported between instances of int and str, lesser than not supported between instances of int and str. Everyone can able to understand, right? What the difference between, I mean, where, so if the compatibility is not there, immediately we will get error. Okay, clear, right? Sir, now let me go for a small chota example to get some more clarity here, sir. Suppose I have A is equal to 10, sir. B is equal to 20. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. If A greater than B, if A greater than B, can you please print A is greater than B? A is greater than B. Okay, like else can you please print A is not greater than B, not greater than B, like this I am taking, sir. Immediately may have the doubt, sir, what about if else? Already covered? No, not yet covered. Just you have to habitate this type of syntax also. Prepare mentally. Next we are going to discuss in detail about this. Sir, very simple. Is this condition true or not? 10 greater than 20. No, this condition fails. If this condition fails, else part is going to execute. Else means what output I have to get, sir? A is not greater than B. This is the answer I have to get. Okay, let me execute this code. Observe carefully, sir. What is the code? Can you please guide? A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. If A greater than B, if A greater than B, print of A is greater than B, sir. A is greater than B. Sir, now else I am taking print of A is not greater than B. Okay, like this I am taking. Sir, why I am taking this example? Yes, you have to habitate next level coding. Anyway, just basic idea I am taking. It is a false. False means else part is going to execute. A is not greater than B. This is the output I have to get, sir. Observe carefully. Here, what answer we are going to get? Are you seeing right? A is not greater than B. This is the answer we are going to get, sir. So these are various things what you people should be aware about relational operators. Clear, right? Now the last point related to relational operators, take a bit special care, sir. Here 10 lesser than 20. 10 lesser than 20 I am taking. What the answer? 10 lesser than 20 lesser than 30. What the answer? 10 lesser than 20 lesser than 30 less than 40. What the answer, sir? 10 lesser than 20 lesser than 30 less than 40 greater than 50 I am taking. Sir, have you observed? These things are, so we are using chaining of relational operators. Are you getting? We can use relational operators together. This concept is called relational operators chaining. Are you getting? Chaining of relational operators. What answer we are going to get? How the behaviors are? Very simple. Here how many comparisons are there? Only one comparison. 10 less than 20. Perfect. The answer is true is the answer we will get, sir. Next, here how many comparisons are there? One comparison is 10 less than 20. Another comparison is 20 less than 30. Are you getting? 10 less than 20, 20 less than 30. Sir, if multiple comparisons are there, how the behavior is? Very simple. If all comparisons returns true, then the result is true. If all comparisons returns true, then the result is true. If at least one comparison fails, false, then the result is always false. Remember. Sir, now 10 less than 20, true sir. 20 less than 30, true. All both comparisons returns true. That's why result is always true only. Observe. Next, the same. Here how many comparisons are there? 10 less than 20, first comparison. 20 less than 30, second comparison. 30 less than 40, third comparison, right? Sir, total 3 comparisons. Sir, first one returns true, second one returns true, third one is also returns true. If all comparisons returns true, then the result is always true is the answer. Like, now observe carefully. Sir, first one here 10 less than 20, 20 less than 30, 30 less than 40, 40 greater than 50. Sir, it is first one, next second one, next third one, next fourth one. 10 less than 20, what the answers are? True. 20 less than 30, true. 30 less than 40, true. 40 greater than 50, false. If at least one comparison returns false, the result is always false. You should be aware. If at least one comparison returns false, the result is always false. That's why what is the answer we are going to get, sir? In this case, false itself is the answer. Sir, any explanation is required? Take very special care about this terminology, right? Okay, well, let me consider here. Have a look once, sir. Print of 10 less than 20. Okay, 10 less than 20 less than 30. Okay, 10 less than 20 less than 30 less than 40. Okay, 10 less than 20 less than 30 greater than 50. Okay, like so in all cases we are going to get a true sir, but last one false is the answer. Now if you want, have a look once. True, last one false itself is the answer. Everyone in the position to understand, right? So relational operators chaining is possible. Chaining of relational operators possible, sir. If multiple relational operators are there, how the behaviors are? If all comparisons returns true, then the result is true. If at least one comparison fails, then the result is always fails. That's all. This is the last point related to relational operators. Up to this, any doubt? So we covered arithmetic operators and then relational operators, right? Sir, in the last video we covered very clearly about equality operators, right? Sir, now the next thing we have to discuss logical operators. Sir, take very special care. And operator, or operator, not operator. These 3 operators are called logical operators, right? And or not. These are logical operators, right? So you can apply for Boolean types, for non-Boolean types, but the behavior is the different. Sir, for Boolean types. So for Boolean types, if we apply, what is the behavior, sir? Sir, very simple. And operator, okay, and operator returns true, sir. And operator returns true if and only if both arguments are true, sir. If and only if both arguments are true, like this, right? So when and operator returns true for Boolean type is if both arguments are true, then only result true. Sir, best example, true and false, true and false, next false and true, false and true, next false and false I am taking. Can you please confirm what answer we are going to get? So and operator returns true if and only if both arguments are true. Both arguments are true means that's all. Only in the first case it is the true, sir. In all remaining cases it's always going to return false. Remember this, okay? So whenever we are applying and operator for Boolean type, if both arguments are true, then only result is true. In all cases result is always false. Just observe carefully, sir. Let me check this option. Here I am taking true true, here just have a look once. True I'm taking, true and true sir. Yes, obviously true is the answer. Next true and false I'm taking, false is the answer. Next false and true I'm taking, still false is the answer. False and false I'm taking, yes, definitely false is the answer. Are you getting right? So whenever we are applying AND operator for Boolean type, if both arguments are true, then only result is true. Same way, when OR operator returns true, we covered already, you know already, right? I hope you may aware basic idea. These are from our childhood onwards we are discussing these things, right? Sir, now I'm taking OR operator, right? Sir, very simple. OR operator returns true. OR operator returns true if and only if at least one argument is true, sir. At least one argument is true. At least one, either first one or second one, at least one argument is the true, then the result is always true, sir. Have a look once. Here, true or true I'm taking. Next, true or false I'm taking. False or true I'm taking. Next, false or false. False or false. Okay, like, sir, among these, at least one argument returns true. At least one argument is the true. Here, both are true, sir. Here, first one is the true. Here, second one is the true. At least one argument is the true. In all cases, true is the answer. Sir, no true. Both are false. Only in this case, false is the answer. Observe that. Okay, let me cross check this one. Have a look once, sir. I'm trying to take here print of true. True or true I'm taking. True or true I'm taking. True or false. Next, false or true I'm taking. Next, false or false. Regarding just observe carefully, sir. False or false. In the first three things, at least one argument is the true. That's why result is always true. But last one, the result is always false. Okay. Now have a look once. What answer we are going to get, sir? True, 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 followed by false. So not required to keep any explanation about this one. So whenever we are applying OR operator for Boolean type, at least one argument is the true, then the result is always a true, sir, otherwise false. Okay, well, sir, now the next one, not operator. Not operator is there. Okay, so not means complement, reverse operator, reverse complement or reverse operator, right? Sir, what it means? Very simple. Not true means false. Not false means true, sir. Not true means false we are going to get. Not false means true itself we are going to get. That's all. Reverse. Can you please reverse the thing? If it is the true, we will get false. If it is the false, we will get true, sir. Just have a look once, sir. Sir, I am taking not true. Not true. False is the answer. Not false. I am taking true is the answer, sir. I hope everyone in the position to understand these things, right? Okay. Well, so how many which operators are called logical operators, right? And are not. These three operators are called logical operators. So we can apply for Boolean type, non-Boolean type. Whenever we are trying to apply for Boolean type, what is the behavior, sir? Have a look once. AND operator, if both arguments are true, then only true, otherwise returns false. If at least one argument is the true, returns true, otherwise false. Sir, now OR operator, right? Not operator means complement operation. Now these are things we know from our childhood onwards, not required to spend much time on this. Clear for all of you, right? Sir, I want to develop a small authentication application with this knowledge. Okay, well, sir, what I want to take, I will read the username and password from the keyboard. Hey, user, enter your username, enter your password. I will ask user to provide username and password. If the username is Durga and password is Sunny. If username is Durga and password is Sunny, then this person is the valid user. If either username not matched or password not matched, then immediately this person is the invalid user. Okay, like, Sir, most of gent passwords are lady names only. Correct? Yo, most of gent passwords are lady names only. Obviously, most of the times correct, but take a bit special care. Before marriage, password can be any lady name, but after marriage, password name is always wife name only. Just observe, just kidding. Okay? So my requirement is read the username and password from the keyboard, and can you please compare, is it what we call is it username is Durga or not, password is the Sunny or not. If username is Durga and password is Sunny, valid person, valid user, otherwise invalid user. This is about my requirement, right? How you can write the code for to meet this requirement? Very simple, sir. First question you may ask, how to read the data from the keyboard? I didn't cover still. Maybe after completing our operators next topic, input and output, there I will explain. But as of now, just aware, input is the function. What is the function name? Input is the function to read the username from the keyboard, password from the keyboard. Okay, well, now my requirement is, observe, username. Okay, can you please enter username? I want to read the username provided by end user. For that, input of enter username. Okay, enter username. Like this I am asking, sir. Please enter username. Next, similarly, password. Similarly, password is equal to input of enter password. I'm asking end user to provide username and password, sir. So username is available with username variable and password is saved with password variable, right? Now I have to check if username is Durga and password is Sunny, then please consider it the valid, otherwise it is invalid. How you can write the code, sir? If username is equal to Durga, if username is equal to Durga, sir, first condition true or false. Okay, if it is the true, and password is equal to Sunny, and password is equal to Sunny. Okay, like, sir, if syntax in Python, sir, compulsory we have to take colon. Okay, if both conditions are satisfied, then print of valid user. Okay, print of valid user. Okay, else do you know again colon must be required? Don't worry, sir, else again colon must be required. Print of invalid user, like this, right? Sir, why we are taking this space? This is called indentation. Sir, somewhere in Python we are going to discuss next level. Don't worry, sir, just concentrate how you can use AND operator here. First condition is the true, second condition is the true, then it is the totally the true valid user, else sir, invalid user, like we are going to get. Observe carefully, sir. Here I am taking, yes, I want to type again this code. I want to read the username from the keyboard. Input of enter username, like this I am taking, sir. This username I have to save with the username variable. Username is equal to same way password. Okay, same way password is equal to enter password, like this, right? Okay, next if username is equal to Durga and password is equal to okay, Sunny, like this I am taking, sir. If username is Durga and password is the Sunny, yes, print valid user, else print of invalid user. Regarding else print of invalid user, like this, right? Okay, if username is Durga and password is Sunny, valid user, else print of invalid user, like this I am taking, sir. Now let me execute this code. It is going to ask, hey, enter username. Okay, my username is Durga, sir. Enter password. Okay, my password is Mallika. Sir, can you please tell, if the password is the Mallika, what answer we have to get? If the password is the Mallika, what answer? So this condition is the true, but this condition fails, sir. True and false means false. If this condition fails, else part is going to execute invalid user. Are you getting? What the outputs are? Invalid user, like this. Let me run again. Enter username Durga. Enter password, sir. Okay, Sunny. Like this I'm taking. Sir, now what is the answer we are going to get? Valid user. Clear for all of it? A small authentication application I want to develop. This is the very basic authentication. You have to familiar how you can write programming. That's all. Don't worry about syntaxes, all these things in detail we are going to discuss in the next videos. You are not required to very basic idea. Oh, this is the way we have to write the program. Just basic idea you have to get, sir. Clear up to this?